Hey my lovelies, I've got some new goodies from MANUCURIST. Let's open this box together. They've just launched something called the Green System, a professional, long-lasting, at-home manicure solution that doesn't require a lamp. This is so interesting, guys. You know I love all the MANUCURIST products that I have. I've just filmed actually a tutorial and a review about all the products that I have. The video is on my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll leave the link here. And of course, I can't wait to try all these products out. Thank you so much, MANUCURIST, for this package. So with this Green System, we can enjoy a 7-day classic manicure with just a few easy steps. So we are supposed to use all these products for a 7-day classic manicure. So here I have, first of all, a base coat. Yes, a base coat, because for this manicure, guys, you are supposed to use a base coat. You also are supposed to use, I think, some nail prep solution. I think you have to do some steps to achieve this 7-day classic manicure. Of course, I'll try everything out and then I'll show you a tutorial. Okay, next I have a top coat, sunshine, looks like this. High shine, long wear. Even though this manicure doesn't require a lamp, you have to use this top coat and this base coat. Of course, guys, like I said, I'll try everything out and then I'll show you all the steps you need to do to achieve this classic manicure. Here I have drying drops, express dry, intense nutrition, looks like this. And I chose 3 beautiful fall colors that looks like this. Here I have a nail polish, actually 3 nails polishes. First one is aubergine or aubergine, something like this. As you see, so beautiful. Actually, all these colors are beautiful. I think they are perfect for autumn, for fall. Next one is violeta or violeta. And the last one is, I think it calls brick. Looks like this. I can't wait to try them all out on my nails. Here I also have a beauty bag. So cute because I can store all my nail products here. It's quite big, as you see. And I also have here 2 products. First one is the Grison. Yes, I think this is a solution for prepping the nails. It's plant-based. And I think all the MANUCURIST products are plant-based, so they are very good in terms of the ingredients. This floral scented nail prep cleans and degreases the nails to increase manicure wear time. Okay, I think it's supposed to smell if it's floral scented nail prep. Actually, it smells like alcohol. And the last one is this nail polish remover, green dissolvant dough, moisturizes and nourishes. The delicate floral smelling nail polish remover only removes lacquer from the green collection. Okay, I think it removes only these regular nail polishes, not also the LED nail polishes, those that I dry in the lamp. Okay, and this was the unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.